Welcome everyone to lesson 3 of the Arabic learning series, Learning to Speak Arabic in Everyday Conversation. In this lesson, we will cover personal pronouns. But before we do that, let's first review the vocabulary from lesson 2. By now, you should be familiar with these words as we will continue to build upon them moving forward. مستشفى, hospital. ممرضة, nurse. سيارة, car. مدرسة, school. موظف, employee. محاسب, accountant. طائرة, airplane. مطار, airport. عامل, worker. مدير, manager. All right, let's move on to lesson 3, vocabulary, personal pronouns. أنا, me or I. أنت, you, for masculine. So in Arabic, the word you changes based on gender. So أنت is used when speaking to a man. Okay? Anti, you, for feminine. Anti is used when speaking to a woman or feminine object. Huwa, he. Hiya, she. All right. So in this exercise, try to match the words with their correct meanings in your mind before I reveal the answers. This is a great way to help you internalize this lesson's vocabulary. Okay. Ana. What do you think Ana means? Ana. Ana means I or me. Anta. Anta. Anta is you for masculine or for male. Okay. Anti, you for feminine. Huwa, what does huwa mean? He. And last one here, she. Okay. Practice of ana sentences, I am sentences. So the following exercises are designed to help you become familiar with simple daily use sentences. So up to this point, you've learned 30 Arabic words. So now let's see how many sentences you can form using them. Okay. أنا مهندس. I am an engineer. أنا طبيب. I am a doctor. Also in English we say a, like I am a doctor or I am an engineer. But in Arabic we don't use a or an. When you say أنا مهندس or أنا طبيب, it already means I am an engineer. So there is no separate word for a or an in Arabic. So the meaning is understood from the sentence. Let's continue. أنا مدير. I am a manager. أنا محاسب. I am an accountant. أنا ممرضة. I am a nurse. Let's continue with more practice. أنا شرطي. I am a policeman. أنا موظف. I am an employee. أنا عامل. I am a worker. أنا سائق. I am a driver. أنا حارس. I am a guard. All right. So we're going to practice of anta, you are, masculine sentences. As I mentioned before, in Arabic, the phrase you are changes depending on who you are speaking. So if you're speaking to a man, you say anta, which means you are. So this will be anta shurti, you are a policeman, speaking to a man. Anta muwaddaf, you are an employee. Anta amil, you are a worker. Anta sa'iq, you are a driver. Anta haris, you are a guard. Okay, let's practice some more. Anta muhandis, you are an engineer. Anta tabib, you are a doctor. Anta mudir, you are a manager. أنت محاسب. You are an accountant. Okay. So far you have learned 14 sentences based on the structure of you are. Okay. Now let's work through two exercises to practice using هو in sentences. هو شرطي. He is a policeman. Yeah. هو موظف. He is an employee. هو عامل. He is a worker. Okay. هو سائق. He is a driver. هو حارس. He is a guard. Okay. Practice of هو again. More sentences. هو مهندس. He is a manager. He is an engineer. هو طبيب. He is a doctor. هو مدير. He is a manager. هو محاسب. He is an accountant. Again, you can form many sentences using هو by applying the vocabulary you've learned. All right. So far, you have been learning the use of masculine gender. Now you're going to learn the use of feminine gender in personal pronouns. In Arabic, every noun is either masculine or feminine. So if you're talking to a woman, you say anti, which means you are feminine. Anti muhandisa. Anti muhandisa means you are an engineer, a female engineer. Okay. Also, many feminine nouns in Arabic end with ta marbuta. It's a special sign. This sign here at the end that usually shows the word is referring to a female. Okay. This is called ta marbuta right here. So for example, muhandis means a male engineer. And if you add a ta marbuta, it will become muhandisa, a female engineer. So it produces the sound of at the end. Okay. Um, all right, let me get my pen here. All right. Anti tabiba, you are a doctor. Anti mudira, you are a female manager. Anti muhasiba, you are an accountant. Anti harisa, you are a female guard. So when we use anti, we often pair it with words that have ta marbuta because they describe feminine. All right. Now let's practice forming sentences using hiya, meaning she sentences. هي مهندسة. She is an engineer. هي طبيبة. She is a doctor. هي مديرة. She is a manager. هي محاسبة. She is an accountant. هي عاملة. She is a worker. So as you can see, all the words on this slide also have this special ta marbuta ending, which indicates a feminine form. All right. So for this one here, we're going to translate the words into Arabic. Try to translate it in your mind before I reveal the answer. And this include words from today's lesson and previous lessons to help you internalize the vocabulary as we move forward. I, what do you think I means in Arabic? It means ana. What about you speaking to a man? Anta. What about you speaking to a female? Anti. Okay. Next, he, huwa. Next, she, hiya. Next, no, la. What about house? Bait. Okay. These other words: office, maktab, company, sharika, school, madrasa, hospital, mustashfa, airport, matar, manager, mudir, policeman, shurti. Shurti. All right. Now you will build on the sentences using the vocabulary you've learned so far. So let's translate this into Arabic. And these sentences only use words that you've already learned, okay? There's nothing new here. I am an engineer and he is a doctor. How do you translate that? أنا مهندس وهو طبيب. Okay. Next. I am a guard and she is a nurse. أنا حارس وهي ممرضة. Okay. I am an accountant and he is a police officer. أنا محاسب وهو شرطي. Okay. I am a worker and he is a driver. أنا عامل وهو سائق. Okay. I am an employee and he is a manager. أنا موظف وهو مدير. All right. Let's do some more practicing here. The more you practice, the better your understanding becomes. Okay. You are an engineer and she is a doctor. أنت مهندس وهي طبيبة. Okay. You are an accountant and she is a driver. أنت محاسب وهي سائقة. You are a worker and she is a worker. أنت عامل وهي عاملة. You are a doctor and I am a nurse. أنت طبيب وأنا ممرض. Okay. You are a manager and she is an employee. أنت مدير وهي موظف. All right. So this concludes lesson 3. If you found this lesson helpful, please like, subscribe, and share the video so others can benefit as well. Until then, see you in the next lesson.